continue to watch this video if you want to see on how I made this refreshing, delicious, tasty Sorrel drink. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, away I wait pan, subscribe right now guys. It is free, and thank you all so much. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a Jamaican favorite because you know it's almost Christmas, so I'm gonna make some sorrel drink. Yes, so this is my sorrel right here, and guys, this sorrel has been imported because you know, living abroad sometimes you can't get the fresh one, so I have to buy this one from the packet, but it is really good because I use it all the time. So this is the amount that I'm gonna use, and I'm also gonna add ginger, and you need a lot of ginger. I like when I drink my sorrel, I can taste all that ginger in it. Cinnamon stick, and I'm only gonna use only one. Some cloves, at least 6 to 7 cloves, okay? That's it right here. An orange peel. You can use the dry orange peel if you preferred, but if you don't have it guys, you can always use, you know, just peel off the orange and just use it same way. Yeah. And you're also gonna add guys some Jamaican white rum. I'm not the type of person to drink alcohol, but traditional we normally would add some rum in it, but not a lot, just a bit, because what the rum does, it gives the sorrel drink a lot of flavor, okay? But guys, if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. And some red label wine, and not a lot, just a small amount, as I said, just to add more flavor to the drink. So guys, I just washed my sorrel off camera. You want to make sure you wash it, okay? Yes guys, what I did, I just cut and washed my ginger. I didn't use all of it. I leave back this amount, okay? But I'll leave it in the description and exactly how much I use. So I just briefly cut it like so. Okay. So now I'm gonna blend up my ginger with my hand blender. You can always use a normal blender, because guys, when you blend it all up, I'm telling you, all those juices from the ginger go right in your sorrel, and that's exactly how you want it. If you want, you can just cut it and just put it to your pot like that, but this way, trust me, it's gonna be so refreshing and it's gonna taste so good. So now I'm gonna take my hand blender. I'm gonna use my hand blender guys. So as you can see, it is nicely blended up. So guys, here I have my pot on my stove. So now what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna add my ginger, okay? So I'm just gonna add it like so. So to my pot guys, I add at least 5 cups of hot water. Yes. You see that color? This is what you want guys. When you taste your sorrel drink, it's gonna be so refreshing with all that ginger, I'm telling you. And I'm also gonna add my orange peel, my cinnamon stick, and my cloves, okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil. Then I will add my sorrel. Yes, it has come to a boil, and that's exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna add my sorrel, okay? gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna leave it for at least 3 minutes, okay? Then I'm gonna turn my stove off and just allow it to cool. You can always leave it to cool for overnight, okay? I'm telling you, it smells so good, guys. You could smell the ginger. The ginger in this thing is so strong, and that's exactly how I want it. It looks so nice and so rich. So guys, as I said, you're just gonna leave it for 3 minutes, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my stove off. As you can see, it is nice and red and rich, and this is exactly how you want it. So you can leave it for overnight for at least 12 hours. Yes. Or just wait for it to cool and just stir it. But it all depends how you want it to be. Look at the ginger, guys. The ginger have the color of the sorrel. Look at that. This drink here is super, super rich. I'm just gonna cover my pot and just leave it to cool, okay? So see you back. My sorrel has now cooled, and I leave it for just over 8 hours, okay? So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and rich and red, and I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. You can smell that ginger. You know this is gonna be super, 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 super flavorful. Look at that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it, okay? So here I have my bowl, and I also have a strainer. So now I'm gonna strain it, okay? Make sure, guys, it is nice and smooth, okay? Look at that. Look at all that richness. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. If you want to get more out of your sorrel, you can also add some more water to it. So I'm gonna add at least just over half cup of my water, okay? Or at least 1 cup, should I say? Yes. Because you know you don't want to waste nothing, because as you can see, it is still nice and red, okay? So you want to mix it all in, and then you just strain it, okay? So this is gonna be my last time straining it. As you can see, guys, it is nice and smooth, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. Nicely strained. Look at that. Now that my sorrel is all strained, now I'm gonna sweeten it. And I'm gonna sweeten it with some brown sugar and some granulated sugar. You can always use brown sugar only, okay? But I choose to add some granulated sugar to it. And you can add to your liking. And guys, if you're gonna make sorrel, you don't want it to be so fresh. You want it to have that sweetness to it, okay? I don't like to drink mine and it's fresh. I like to have that sweetness in there. And you can always taste it to your liking. So now I'm gonna add my Jamaican white rum. And guys, I'm only gonna add 1 tablespoon, okay? That's it. And my red label wine. And I'm also gonna add just over 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna give it a stir. Look at that. So here I have my glass jug, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some ice, and I also have some orange, guys, that I cut in circle. As you can see, it is totally optional, but it's just gonna add, you know, some flavor to your sorrel drink. Yes, so I'm just gonna add a few of it, okay? But as I said, it is optional, you don't have to do it. I love ice in my sorrel. If you want, guys, you can always drink it as it is, okay? I'm just gonna add it now. Look at that. So there you have it. This is how I make my Jamaican sorrel drink, okay? I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, away pan, subscribe right now. It is free. Thank you. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? And if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, because I'm telling you, this right here is super refreshing and so tasty. So guys, if you're gonna have sorrel, you know that you need your fruit cake, right? So see, I have some fruit cake right there on the side. If you want to know on how I make it, check out my YouTube channel right now, okay? And I'm gonna taste it, and I'm telling you, this sorrel drink right here is so tasty. You could taste the ginger, the clove, the sorrel itself. Honestly, this recipe right here is so good. I give it 10 out of 10. It is really good. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.